Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best mystery tackle box trout is probably one of the most exciting and convenient ways to experience the thrill of trout fishing, offering a curated selection of high-quality lures and gear tailored to the specific challenges and rewards of trout fishing. Whether you are a seasoned angler seeking new techniques or a beginner looking to expand your tackle arsenal, Mystery Tackle Box Trout provides a unique and engaging way to explore the world of trout fishing and enhance your angling adventures. Number 5. Catch Co MTB Pro Freshwater Kit. Get ready to explore the ultimate fishing kit. It's packed with lures and tackle to help you land your next big catch. This box is bursting with value. You'll find around $40 worth of high-quality lures designed for various freshwater fish. Discover top brand lures and exclusive items you won't find anywhere else. It's a mix of hard baits, soft plastics, and terminal tackle. Learn new techniques and tricks to improve your fishing skills, no matter your experience level. It's perfect for both beginners and pros. Since 2012, we've been perfecting the art of the fishing box. Open it up and discover new ways to catch more fish. Looking for a last-minute gift for the angler in your life? This kit is the perfect surprise. What we like. It's a versatile kit for various freshwater species, offering great value with a retail value of around $40. The included expert tips and tricks make it perfect for anglers of all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned pros. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit to explore different fishing techniques and target multiple species, this is the one for you. What people say. One of his favorite lures came in the first box. The box comes with a good variety of items that vary in quality. Perfect gift for your freshwater fishing enthusiast. This surprise fishing kit includes quality pieces and was delivered on time. Gave him a variety of lures to use. Plastics, crankbait, spinner, a frog, some basics to get started. Number 4. Catch Co Mystery Tackle Box. Get ready for a surprise. It's packed with everything you need for a successful fishing trip. Let's explore what's inside. Each box contains at least 5 different lures and baits. You'll also find our mini fishing magazine, full of helpful tips and tricks. We collaborate with the best brands in the industry. It's all high-quality gear, specifically designed for panfish and trout. Learn from the experts. It includes valuable information and instruction to help you catch more fish. Since 2012, we've been delivering boxes of fantastic fishing gear. Join the millions who have already experienced the thrill. This holiday season, give the gift of adventure. It's the ultimate fishing kit for anglers of all skill levels. What we like. This kit focuses on panfish and trout, providing a curated selection of lures and educational materials. It's ideal for those who prefer spinning tackle and want to learn more about these species. If you're looking for a specialized kit with educational content to improve your panfish and trout fishing, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The gear you're getting in these boxes is well worth the price. They don't slack or skimp at all. I even got a cool little Japanese lure in this one. I wouldn't have thought to get lures from other places, but thanks to MTG I'm kind of digging the idea now. Inside the box, I found a carefully curated selection of fishing lures and tackle specifically designed for panfish and trout fishing. The variety and quality of the contents were impressive. From vibrant soft baits to enticing spinners, the assortment catered to the unique needs of targeting these species. Number 3. Catch Co Mystery Tackle Box Elite. Get ready to explore the Catch Co Mystery Tackle Box Elite. It's packed with high-quality lures for various freshwater fish. This box boasts around $60 worth of lures. You'll find hard baits, jigs, soft plastics, and more, enough to target bass, panfish, and catfish. Discover exclusive, limited edition fishing gear designed specifically for freshwater fishing. It's a unique collection you won't find anywhere else. Learn new techniques and tricks to improve your fishing skills. The kit includes expert advice to help you catch more fish. Since 2012, we've been perfecting the art of the fishing box. Unleash its contents and discover new lures and techniques to enhance your angling adventures. Looking for a last-minute gift for an angler? This kit is a fantastic choice, offering a surprise and excitement. What we like. It's a premium multi-species kit boasting a higher value of around $60, packed with exclusive and limited edition lures. This is a great choice for experienced anglers seeking high-quality, unique fishing gear. If you appreciate exclusive products and want to elevate your fishing game with premium lures, this kit is for you. What people say. The Catch Co. Mystery Tackle Box Elite Freshwater Catch-All Fishing Kit is a true gem for anglers seeking an all-in-one solution to target bass, trout, crappie, and bluegill. From hard baits and soft plastics to spinner baits and jigs, every piece of gear has been carefully selected to cover a wide range of freshwater fishing scenarios. The quality of the lures is exceptional. Each one is crafted with attention to detail, ensuring realistic action and enticing presentation. The vibrant colors and lifelike designs are irresistible to fish, increasing your chances of a successful catch. Number 2. Catch Co. MTB Pro Panfish and Trout Kit. Get ready to explore this panfish and trout fishing kit. It's packed with high-quality lures worth around $40. This box is filled with 6 to 7 spinning lures, targeting panfish and trout. You'll find top brands and exclusive items. Discover well-known brands alongside limited edition fishing products designed specifically for panfish and trout. Learn new techniques and tricks to improve your fishing skills. It's perfect for all ages and skill levels, from beginners to experts. Since 2012, we've perfected the art of curating the best fishing lures. Unbox it and start catching more fish. Looking for a last-minute gift for an angler? This kit is a fantastic choice, guaranteed to impress. What we like. This kit is designed specifically for panfish and trout, offering excellent value at around $40. It includes spinning tackle only, making it a great choice for anglers who prefer this style of fishing. If you're looking for a specialized kit with spinning tackle for panfish and trout, this is the one to choose. What people say. I really like these kits. I tend to spend too much time waffling in the sporting goods aisle when picking out lures. With these kits you just get surprised with a selection, and get some tips and tricks to try out with the new lures. These are very cool and come with lots of stuff. Some things are only online options to so you see lures you've never seen before. He said that it was filled with stuff he would use, plus some things that were new to him. Number 1. Catch Co. Mystery Tackle Box. Get ready to explore this incredible fishing kit. It's packed with lures and tackle to help you catch a variety of freshwater fish. Inside, you'll find around $110 worth of high-quality lures. These are designed to attract bass, panfish, and catfish. This isn't your average tackle box. It includes exclusive, limited edition fishing products you won't find anywhere else. Learn new techniques and improve your fishing skills with the expert tips and tricks included. Since 2012, we've been perfecting the art of the fishing kit. Unbox it and discover new lures and techniques to increase your catch. Looking for a gift for the angler in your life? This kit is the ultimate present for any fishing enthusiast. What we like. This is the ultimate multi-species kit, offering exceptional value at approximately $110. It's packed with a wide variety of lures and tackle, making it perfect for anglers who want the most comprehensive fishing experience. If you're looking for the most complete and high-value kit, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. My son loved this box and was thrilled with the variety and quality of the items. My son was very happy with the variety. So many times it's only one kind of fish. Lots of options for local fish. My son received this for Christmas and loved all the bits and pieces that were included. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.